aboard Norwegian Getaway. This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker on location.
Here's your cruise news for Tuesday, March 8th, 2022. Another Royal Caribbean ship is back in service as Vision of the Seas welcomed guests at Port Everglades yesterday. The vessel is returning with a series of 10 and 11-night Southern Caribbean sailings. In May, Vision will reposition to Barcelona for the summer, operating 5, 8, and 12-night Med cruises. Then in November, it's back to the U.S. in Port Everglades, where she'll sail the usual Caribbean schedule. With Vision of the Seas back in operation, Royal Caribbean now has 20 ships that have resumed passenger service. And just 6 months after setting its previous single-day record, Oceania Cruises has done it again. The lines around the world in 180 days for 2024 has sold out, and this time in just 30 minutes. At the same time, Oceania also launched 4 new grand voyages. The sellout of the World Cruise, along with the high demand for the grand voyages, resulted in a new single-day booking record that surpassed the one set in September by almost 12%. The price of that round-the-world cruise, it started at $48,500 per person. And finally, Viking's purpose-built Mississippi River ship has touched the water. Viking Mississippi was floated out of the shipyard in Louisiana on Monday. This marks the start of the final stage of construction. The vessel will have 5 guest decks and hold 386 passengers. It'll feature an infinity pool, a 360-degree promenade, indoor and outdoor dining, and a lounge at the front with floor-to-ceiling windows. Viking Mississippi is scheduled to debut this June and operate voyages between New Orleans and St. Paul. And cruise line stocks were down on Monday. Carnival Corporation down 9.9%, 15.53. Royal Caribbean down 9.1%, 63.28. And Norwegian down 11.6%, 15.36. And we leave you with some footage of Carnival Cruise Line's celebration meetup that happened off the coast of Cozumel yesterday. That's where Carnival Ecstasy, Breeze, Pride, Vista, Glory, Sunrise, and Mardi Gras all met up to celebrate the line's 50th birthday, which is officially on Friday, March 11th. Thank you to my friend Richard for sending over this video. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. For daily updates, subscribe to the Cruise Radio YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.